What we're doing today, we smoked a lamb the other day, a leg of lamb. She ground up about half that was left over and seasoned it. She's going to make lamb meatballs and stir-fry veggies tonight. But she kept some of the meat aside because I want to do onion bombs. Right there. I've got one hollowed out. And I'm going to show you how I hollow it out. Okay, I recruited Dagney. She's going to show you one I've done so far. It be hollow.
You bet.
And, yeah. And in this bowl is all that came out of that. That's a lot of onion.
Yes, it is.
So now I'm going to show you how I do this.
So
First of all, I have an apple core. Go ahead.
apple core.
Well, don't take it out of the picture. A melon baller I haven't used so far. And I have a spoon that's supposed to be for...
It's a grapefruit spoon.
A grapefruit.
Or citrus.
And it's got a serrated edge. Let me get in there on this thing. Anyway, doesn't want to focus right now, that's okay. But it's got a serrated edge. It'd be really sharp. If you don't have one, get your hubby to go out and grind one of your old spoons and put a nice edge on it. Okay. The way I started this first onion was with the apple core. And yes, it's got onion on it. It's not clean, we just used it. And I just started going in, and I figured the base on this cutting board gives me about an inch of shaft going toward my handle. So I don't want to go past that. I might just go less than that. And I come out and I do it again. You do not want to go through the outer part of the onion. Now that's where this grapefruit spoon is really great, because it really can dig out stuff. Now, you can see what I've done so far, right? And just keep working at it.
One hollow baby.
Yeah, it's getting there. So, this is what we got. Pretty cool, I think. As you can see, I get the onion balls out. Now this mix is the ground lamb. What else? Oh, that's a little hole. My bell pepper and green chili mix. See my short fingernails? I cut them off. Okay. This needs a smaller spoon so I can pack the onion. It's got, let's see, mufaletta, which is olive salad that I made, and some of the leftover, not leftover, but the onion I hollowed out last night. I can't even think what I put in here now. But I will put it in the description box. I do have my notes. That's a lot of mufaletta, lamb stuff. Dagney tasted it. She said it's hot. Because this meat is cooked, okay? If you remember. We're just trying to use it up because it was way too raw for me. I'm going to let the camera run just for a minute because I don't want to go over there with mucky hands. We got the smoked, it's not smoked yet, but it will be smoked focaccia bread. Got it proofing. Our yeast, our 10-year-old yeast turned out great. I stored it in the refrigerator door. It was just powdered yeast. And I proofed it, they said, before I did anything so I could make sure that it was good. The only thing I didn't like, which I don't like doing, is getting my hands mucky. I don't garden for the same reason. Give me grease, axle grease, sawdust, you name it like that, I'm good to go. But I don't like getting my hands in this stuff or that dough. I'll show you the dough in the next step. You're going to be watching two videos at the same time here. Okay, I got enough to do another onion, but I'm not going to.
Okay, we have taken the onion bombs off the grill. Cut one in half. As you can see, the filling is nicely done. Bacon is crispy, but not too bad. Perfect. And the onion is tender and flavorful.
And the meat?
And the meat?
Now see, you can put any meat in this.
Yeah.
Anything at all. Excuse me. These onions are just sweet, like eating an apple.
Mmm. And the meat is moist, even though we use pre-cooked.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Hopefully this lamb has gone its route.
Yes. So, excellent dinner, an excellent day on the cube.
Another winner on the smoker,
Yes.
not a barbecue. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and share.